The following is a brief explanation for the assembly of Smartech's portable vacuum frame for vacuum infusion and lamination. Before beginning assembly, please make sure you have the following components, materials, and supplies handy. Frame components. Epoxy adhesive for corner bonding. Preferred epoxy application tools. Rubber mallet. Flexible vacuum channel creation seal. Silicone adhesive, and Smartech vacuum valve with optional ball valve. Thoroughly mix 2-part epoxy according to instructions. Quickly apply epoxy to the connecting joints of 2 frame components, including the one with the valve cutout. Place glued frame components on the assembly table parallel to one another with the valve pocket facing down. Gently press the unglued frame components into place in such a way that all epoxy squeeze-out is pushed to the bottom of the frame. This will help seal the joint. Gently tap the corner pieces with a rubber mallet until flush with one another. Allow assembly to cure overnight. After the bond has cured, turn the frame over and begin applying the vacuum channel creation seal using a gentle radius on each corner so the seal does not develop kinks. Cut the seal slightly oversized to ensure against large gaps in the seam. Apply a bead of silicone adhesive to the inside and outside edge of each vacuum channel creation seal. Smooth out bead, ensuring proper contact to avoid leaks. Apply silicone adhesive to seal seams and smooth out. Allow at least 1 hour for curing before moving. Liberally apply silicone adhesive into the valve pocket. Press the valve into place. Turn over frame assembly and carefully attach top side of valve to ensure all silicone has been squeezed into place to seal around the valve. Turn over frame assembly again and smooth out all squeeze out. Allow 1 hour to cure before continuing. Puncture the outside edge of each vacuum channel creation seal to allow the seal to collapse consistently under vacuum pressure. 3 times on each side should be sufficient. Your portable vacuum frame is now ready for use. To aid in proper placement of breather fabric, product, and bagging material, mark the inside and outside corners where the portable vacuum frame will be placed. Lay out breather sheet, vacuum access sheet, components or laminate package, and finally, bagging material. Place the frame properly over the entire package, ensuring that the bagging material overlaps the inside vacuum channel creation seal. When 2 people are not available, place weights on the corners opposite the vacuum valve. Attach the vacuum line and press down on the frame as necessary to create the initial seal. The vacuum will hold it down from there. Call Smartech to order your frame kit today.